Understanding Stay Serene, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into the phrase, stay serene. This might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and is a wonderful example of English idioms in use. So, let's unravel this together. Stay serene is a two-word phrase that carries a lot of weight. The word stay implies remaining in a particular state or condition. It's about maintaining or continuing something. On the other hand, serene is an adjective describing a state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled. It often conjures images of a smooth lake or a quiet morning. When we put these words together, the phrase, stay serene, is an encouragement or advice to remain calm and peaceful, regardless of the situation. This phrase is often used in situations where there is potential stress or chaos. For instance, if someone is going to have a difficult conversation, a friend might say, stay serene, everything will be okay. It's like saying, keep calm and carry on, but with a more peaceful and tranquil connotation. In movies, books, or even in everyday conversations, this phrase can be a gentle reminder to not let the turbulence of life disturb your inner peace. In English-speaking cultures, maintaining calm and composure is often valued, especially in challenging situations. Phrases like, stay serene, reflect this cultural value. However, there are variations. For instance, you might hear, stay cool, or keep calm, which have similar meanings but might be used in slightly different contexts or among different age groups. Stay serene carries a more formal or poetic tone, often found in literature or more thoughtful discourse. Let's practice using stay serene in a few sentences. 1. I know you're nervous about the test, but try to stay serene. You've studied hard. 2. In the face of adversity, she always managed to stay serene and focused. 3. The coach advised the team to stay serene despite the intense competition. Try creating your own sentences with stay serene to get a feel for its use. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, stay serene, more confidently. Remember, language learning is a journey, and you're doing great. Stay serene in your learning process, and see you in the next video.